Hey, howdy folks, and it's a separate video today, sort of, because I got a topic here that's kind of sensitive with me, I guess. But it's like, if you're getting older, this is something that's going to probably come along, and this could save you thousands of dollars. And to me, that's well worth it, especially even for myself, because I kind of need this, and I don't want to need it, but I am getting older.
Dude, you are getting so old.
Yeah, he said that, didn't he? Well, from losing our eyesight as we get older, apparently the other thing we're going to find out is our hearing. Or in some cases, I know a young fellow whose hearing was gone back when he was still in, I believe, high school. So he had to go to hearing aids, and I thought, that is just something I do not want to ever have to do. And yet the reality is, I need to accept it because I am having issues. I go to a restaurant, they ask me if I want cheese on the burger, and I have to ask them, what did you say? What did you say again? Say it again, say it. Speak slow and loud and clear, and so my hearing is not what it used to be. I keep thinking it's just fine, but the reality is it's not. And I've talked to a lot of older fellas who have spent thousands of dollars to get hearing aids that are just the same as what I got in this box right here. And this is, I guess we'll say Hear Beyond. And Beyond is $3.99, and it has all the features of what you need in a really expensive set of hearing aids. And really should let the guy with the baseball cap tell you about this. Yeah, where is he? Yeah, this is a product that it kind of excites me because I really don't want to spend thousands of dollars on hearing aids, and I don't really want to admit I need hearing aids. But the fact, like I said, remains it's just part of getting older, and your hearing goes downhill. So, what do we got here? This is, oh man, this is a nice box, kind of like an Apple computer or something here. And here it is. Here, this product looks just like the expensive ones. In fact, I can't tell the difference. I looked at some hearing aids that were like $3,000, and I looked at these and it was like they look identical. In fact, I would swear they were made by the same company. But here's the situation. You've got the amp and all the equipment back here, the electronics end of it, and of course here's the actual speaker part that's going to go in your ears. And when you put these on, they have this tiny wire, so they're kind of clear, so they're almost hidden. Or if you wear long hair or something, you could probably hide the darn things anyway. Because like I said, I really am embarrassed to say that, yeah, I need hearing aids, but it's a fact. I need them, And these are chargeable. This is the charging port station right here. Plugs in with a USB-C, and actually looks like a Thunderbolt to me, but yeah, a USB-C. Anyways, and this charges these up. So as you put them on. Now, the cool part is it's like the big expensive ones. You can put a phone app in here, and the phone will hook to the hearing aids, and you can dial in and even do sound elimination. So if car engines or anything like that are too noisy, you can even suppress that sound a little bit and help to amplify and hear what people are saying. Because it's getting so frustrating for myself even that I have to really clearly listen really hard sometimes to make out something, even if it's something as simple as ordering a hamburger at a restaurant or sitting down with a bunch of folks and we're talking, and I'm only getting like half the conversation. And that's when I kind of realized, you know what, I think I got a little bit of a hearing problem and I don't like it, but it is what it is, right? And with the application in the phone, you can dial these in. Now, they will take they say to give anywhere from, around 4 weeks on average to completely adapt to using hearing aids, because apparently it's not a, plug and play kind of thing for us, especially us older folks. We kind of have to learn the system a little bit. But working at different frequencies and things like that, with the different frequencies, it's amazing how you lose a little bit of the high and the low or something, and it cuts the conversations of people off. So this is an awesome product, and this is the company here. This ELE, I don't know, Elehear Beyond. Awesome set, and for only $3.99, and you're getting a full feature set of hearing aids that are just like those $3,000 monstrosities. And you can order this. We'll give you a link in the description below where you can be able to find these, and I highly recommend checking them out, because if you can get by with these for a lot less money, wow, then I don't have to go through all that pain of paying thousands of dollars over hearing aids, you know. Yeah, it's one of the reasons I brought this into the show, because I actually myself, I will be actually using these. Yeah, we're not going to give them away. Not that I know of, you know. But I will be probably using these in the near future, because I am noticing I have hearing loss, and I don't like eyesight's not that good anymore either. I'm starting to have to use cheaters all the time to see the computers, to read things, to check newspaper, print, that kind of thing. Yeah, it's just not a good thing. But my first question is going to be, let's get the phone app installed, and that way I can show you exactly what we can do with these things, because these can actually voice isolate and stuff, which is like, I think it's kind of like, you know, spy equipment. It's like really cool. You can dial into conversations. There's 2 boxes in the bottom, and there's a lot of cool stuff in here, but I'm charging the earpieces right now in the Cradle system on a USB, so we're getting them charged up so we can pair them with the phone for Bluetooth, because once you get the Bluetooth operation, we should be into the features and stuff. But there's a box here that's going to come with different sizes of, I guess we'll call those, wow, there's quite a few here. Wow, all different sizes of the earplug that goes in your ear, because not everybody's is the same size. So you can customize the size of the dome that goes in the ear to whatever you need yourself. Also, besides the cable, we've got this really nice little quick easy start manual, and we have a really nice thick manual that'll show you all the different operations of the Beyond, you know, Beyond ear. By the way, this is Beyond. This is the model. They have other models. This particular one, from what I understand, prices at $3.99, and I was like, wow. And it also comes with this nice shopping bag for some reason. It's kind of, it is, wow, it is a really nice one. It's got a little top here thing that buttons up. But it comes with everything you need, and it also comes with a multi-function tool. Now, I'm not sure even what that's all about, but yeah, and this is probably for helping to adjust the hearing. So you can basically work on your own system to set it up and customize it the way you want. There's also a blue scale here and a red scale here, and again, this shows you the left and the right, because the right will be red and the blue will be your left side. Yeah, for your hearing system. And like I said, once we get the app up and running to where it'll connect to the, let's see where we at here right now, and it's connected. Congratulations. Okay, good. And it shows you, it's going to walk you through it, but that's cool, you know, on your phone it'll walk you through. And trust the using your hearing aids. Try to get understand that they say 3 weeks. I've talked to different people with hearing aids, and they've said, you know, up to 6 for them. But this particular company is saying, you know, within 3 weeks you could, you know, understand you're going to have a really better hearing. It's like, cool. Now, this is showing you the difference. We won't get the rest of this for a second here. I'm just going to wait till they fully charge. That way we can do a full test. But this will allow you to dial in and set those hearing aids up. So you don't need to go to a doctor or somebody and pay them all kinds of money, plus spend $3,000 whatever for a hearing aid system. You've got the whole thing here at home, in your own home, comfortable. Set your hearing aid up, and yeah, you know, get you going. Because let's face it, you, me, if you're getting up there, this is something that I really don't want to agree with, but I have to, because I'm losing the hearing, and I know it. And my eyesight's been going for years, but that's a different story. That started probably quite a few years ago. It's been just slowly going, you know, a little easing downhill a little bit, and it's like, you know, yeah, it's not. I have to wear cheaters and stuff to get around. I can count the number of feathers on the back of a hawk at 5 miles away, but up in front of me, I can't read anything. It's like, you know, it's all blur. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah. And this is something that I'm hoping that, you know, if you're into that stage right now where you think you might need to get hearing aids, this would be, you know, $3.99. This would be the cheapest way to get going. Get a professional ear system that hooks up, Bluetooths it to the phone. You can dial it in. This is the best system I've seen for the price, and it's real. You know, these people, they're the real thing, and they make really different hearing aids. So yeah, this is, like I said, this is a beyond. Now we're going through the phone system right now of setting these up, and I can tell you right now, I think they're too loud. Everything is just blasting, you know. Yeah, it's like I can hear every sound in my shop now. And maybe that's what I've been missing for a few years now. The phone is going to walk you through setting these up so you get them right. I've got them on right now. And yeah, you could actually, if you get long hair, you can pull it down. Nobody will ever know you're wearing those things anyways. But I can tell you immediately, the hearing difference of putting these on was just like the whole world sort of just sound-wise, just kind of like, you know, poured in. It's really amazing at this point, but we'll continue. There's a volume control on the back here, so you can turn the volume up or down if you think they're too loud. There's also a feedback situation that could occur if you're chewing or eating food, you know, something like that. But all of that is in the instruction book on how to set these things up. The whole basis today is to just show you this product because I was a little bit upset over seeing, you know, a bill that might be $3,000 or $4,000 for hearing aids, and thinking, you know, I don't really want hearing aids because, you know, I'm getting older. You know, I don't want to admit to it, but it's like, yeah, my hearing is getting a little, you know, going downhill, and probably do need hearing aids at some point, which really sucks. But that's better than, you know, it's better to, I guess, give in, get the technology going, and letting it help you out and making your life so much better because you can hear again. You know, you'd be amazed at what you're missing. But anyways, as we walk through this phone app, it's explaining, you know, how to get these things set up and volume adjust and what have you, and comfort, that sort of thing, and of course certain things to look out for, something like that. There we go. Now you're going to be presented with a screen here on the app on the phone, and this again allows you to control the hearing aids and dial these in. And also, like I said, some of the really cool things, they're on auto right now, but there's also a little tiny button that you can use on the charger that resets them to factory settings. So if you think you've gotten them set way out of line and they're screwed up or something, put them back in the charging case, hit the reset, and it'll put factory settings back to work for you. And then you can come back in your phone app and again, you know, start adjusting to get to what you want. What an awesome product. I gotta thank the gang over there at I guess we'll say Elehear here. I'm not really sure how that's pronounced, but Elehear and the Beyond set is it's just that. They are fabulous, and what a great price, you know, for a set of hearing aids that you can set it all up at the home in your own comfort and set all this up. And it's like, yeah, you know, these are freaking awesome. Oh, charging, 2.5 hours from, if they're down to just about nothing. So a total of 2.5 hours to charge them up, which is again pretty cool. And then through the day, I guess you could monitor and see you know, how much charge you've got in there, that kind of thing, and what's going on. Right now, I'm just going to take a quick look and see. Right now we're like right mid-tone factory. I'll tell you the truth, they feel too loud actually right now, which is kind of surprising me a little bit. But again, I don't know how much hearing loss I really have, so in that order, you know, they're obviously they are really improving what I can hear. The other thing I want to show you, let's see if I can find it again now. They have a complete setup here. Okay, this is here. This is it here. This will help you. You can actually put this on your ear and hang this down and measure to the length of wire to where you need to plug in. Also, there's a complete key. They call it a utility kit, but it's really for maintaining and cleaning out, and you know, making adjustments and cleaning on these. And it comes with the little tools and brush tools and whatever. It's a little brush here, if I, yeah, a little brush anyways, to clean the system up so you can maintain these. Again, for the price and for what they can do, amazing. Hey, thank you for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell. I'm out of here. Over and out.